Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the general section, languages on keyboard, language, add language. Here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. So let's select Ukrainian, and then to set Ukrainian as your display language, just drag it on top, and after that language will be changed to Ukrainian automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then загальні, мова та клавіатура, мова, and then drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.